My friend, for you to be able to capture some of those signals that you can see on those charts, you have to be visiting some various sites. And I know majority of you are not well informed where these sites are and what is the content of these sites. Let me start by showing you some of the sites that I uses for me to trade, to get the information so that I can be able to execute my trades. One, we have the Real-Time Global Intelligence Dashboard. The Real-Time Global Intelligence Dashboard is a website whereby all global events are posted. This is it. This is the Real-Time Global Investment Dashboard. This one. My camera is, don't know, my camera, what is happening with my camera? I think it is this window. Yes. This is the Real-Time Global Intelligence Dashboard. As you can see, this is how it looks like. This is the map of the world. This is the map of the world. Everything globally that is happening, it is posted here. As you can see here, it has got some live cam. It has some live cameras. Everything that is happening in those countries, it is posted here. Even before it goes into the, it reaches us as breaking news, this website gives us the information immediately after it happens, even before the real information reaches us as breaking news. So, as you can see, this is a map of the world. Like for example, these dots that you are seeing here, these are some events that are happening. As you can see, this is Eastern Pacific Naval Group. They have got 3 vessels there. Those who knows about the war between Russia and Ukraine, this is Russia. The whole of this one is Russia, and Ukraine is here. Ukraine is here. The conflict is here. As you can see, this is now the active conflict zone between the Russia and the Ukraine. They are fighting over this one. So this site is called the Real-Time Global Intelligence Dashboard. As you can see, it contains so many news on our side. It provides all the forex traders with everything that you want. For example, here you can see you can have all the news on Bloomberg, which captures forex markets, Sky News, Euronews, BN News, CNBC News, CNN News, France, everything, all the news that you need. It is contained in this. Website called the Real-Time Global Intelligence Dashboard. It contains everything. Then after you came here and you research whatever the fundamentals that you want and you get analysis, then you go to the market. After going to the market, you analyze based on what is happening before you make a decision. Another one is called the Forex Factory. Forex Factory contains the global economic calendar of what is happening. For the Forex Factory contains this global economic calendar, as you can see. For example, today, which is on 12, not today, today which is on 13th Wednesday, we had some news on producer price index. The prices of goods, of course, have been going up because of inflation and geopolitical tensions, which has been happening in the Middle East. And that is how we are anticipating that gold will be dropping the whole of New York session. Gold must sell the whole of New York session today. I'm not the market mover, but I'm a retail trader who is knowledgeable and well informed. So that is Forex Factory. Then you can also watch this news on YouTube. When you go to Bloomberg Live, you can see whatever is happening. Then you have another website called the investing.com. investing.com is where you check how dealers and hedgers are doing in the markets, how dealers positioning are being put, yeah, where positions are put by dealers and hedgers. As I always tells you, hedgers are those people or those institutions which can buy and sell at the same time. Another thing, so for example, when you come here, this is gold. You can see, let me educate you something here. We have put option and call options. Put options is for downward speculation, call option is for upward speculation. We have delta. Delta is the represent how sensitivity the price is to that zone. We have the price. This is the price at that specific zone. This is the strike. The strike is a place where orders or dealers are willing to hedge, to buy or sell. Then the same way on this side. Then you have the implied volatility. Implied volatility gives us how volatile will the market be at that specific zone. Then we have gamma. Gamma represent how buyers or sellers are willing to execute. If we have some maximum gamma zone like 0.5% delta, you anticipate a very nice reversal. That is investing.com. Then you have another one called Forex Street. Forex Street can give you news, can give you economic calendar, can give you crypto, can give you education. But for me, I always major on news. You come here and you search, for example, USDJPY. You want news on USDJPY, you search like that. Then you come here, you get them. They are here. USDJPY. After searching like that, those are the news on USDJPY, and you lead. This one, you lead manually. You lead what is the price doing. Then from there we have FX Blue. FX Blue is part of market sentiments, which gives us the strength of the currency. As you know, in the forex market, we usually trade based on the strength of the currency, the weaker currency and the stronger currency. For example, as you can see here, Audi is stronger than Canadian dollar. Australian dollar is stronger than Canadian dollar. So you anticipate that the market will be moving down for Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. Let's see. You just come here. You search Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. You search Audi CAD. We can use any blocker. We anticipate that, yeah, it is going up. As you can see, the market is going up. Simple. Then we continue. We were on FX Blue. Then we go to the currency strength meter. This currency strength meter also measures the strength of the currency, and as I have said, in Forex we trade the strength of the currency based on the other one. If the base currency is stronger than the quote currency, you go up. If the quote currency is stronger than the base currency, you go down. As you can see here, USD is very strong. US dollar is very strong. That is why I'm buying gold, because gold is weak, by the way. Yeah, that is why I am selling gold, not buying gold, because USD is very strong. And the reason why USD is strong, of course, you have seen the inflation yesterday was very high. When inflation is very high, the prices of good, of course, goes up. Today it has proven itself by the data that we have just received from the PPI, Producer Price Index. The PPI has given us a positive data to the US dollar, which has also boosted the dollar, and that is why gold is selling, and that is why you have seen me on a massive sales on gold from Asian session overnight. This is it, and I'm going down until 46.40. So that is currency strength. Then we have my FX book. My FX book is here. My FX book, of course, gives us the how for me, my FX book, I always uses it just for one reason, to check the sentiments on how little traders are doing, because of course you don't go with the majority. Like for example, in Euro USD here, in Euro USD here, you can see these are little traders. You can see 53% are going short, only 47% are long. So for Euro USD, you are supposed to go against the majority. Let's see the USD JPY. As you can see, USD JPY, 55% on USD JPY are going short. Long, we only have 45%. So what do you expect? You go with minority, etc. Like this one, Euro, Audi, Euro versus Australian dollar. Short, we have 11%. Long, we have 89%. So if you take this, you just go short. Let us see what the market is currently doing on Euro, Audi. Euro versus Audi. The market must be going short. The market must be going down. Can you see? I have not even analyzed, just from checking the sentiment. Then we have another one called the tradingstar.com. The tradingstar.com usually gives us whatever the large institutions are doing, both commercial traders, non-commercial traders, hedgers, retail traders, whatever they are doing. Like for example, because I was trading gold, let me give you another reason why I'm selling gold. As you can see, this is the commitment of trader. It gives us how traders are doing. So the commitment of trader on gold, let us see how those on gold are doing with it. Why is it taking too long to load? So why is it taking too long to load this data? Is this laptop connected to internet? I think it is connected to internet. Anyway, majority of commercial traders, those who own gold, are selling or are shorting, or they're anticipating that gold prices is going to fluctuate and go down, and that is why I'm also selling gold. So those are some of the best smart websites that I usually consider before even going to analyze the forex market. Thank you very much. I love you, my people. Feel appreciated. Let us make a difference in the financial market. Add note, this is not a financial advice. Actually, it has accepted to open. Let's see. But it is taking time. Yeah, this is gold. I was checking the COT legacy of gold. As you can see, this is gold. We usually check on commercial traders. Commercial traders are like those people, are like hedgers, or those people who own gold. And 257,165%, 165 are anticipating that gold will go down. So if those people that own gold are anticipating that gold is going to go down, who am I to buy? So as you can see, 69.9% are predicting that gold prices will fluctuate and go down. So that is how I use this website. So those are just some of the websites that I use, but I use very many websites. I have not touched about the Go Charting. I have not touched about the Fast Bull. I have not touched about the there's another one called there are many. Thank you very much. As I was telling you, this is not a financial advice, but I was just educating you. Thank you very much.